camping the way that we camp is it's not all about work. There's some chilling involved too. So I'm going to show you where we've made to go chill and drink a little whiskey, talk a little stuff, and just have a good old time. So follow me. Let the chilling begin. Now it's just a matter of sitting back. For me, a good Irish whiskey. Cheers to the river and the creator that made it. That's our water source right there. It's disgusting, but there are ways that you can clean it. So let me show you how to get down there first. We got a piece of vine, and we just use 550 cord, and then we use these roots like rope, and we just go over the side like this and use that, like I said, just like rope. You can get down real. Now obviously you could just use this canteen cup and boil it over the fire, you know, get some dirty water in there, but honestly that Trinity is nasty. And so what I've done is I've actually bought a Katadyn Backpacker Pro. I'm going to dump this end into that dirty water. Then I'm going to take this end and put it in to my container. Then I'm just going to set it down and simply pump clean water. See this stuff right here? It's called witch's broom, and it will cast a spell on your shin. Sometimes you want to mark your path where to go to water. So we do that in a line to go right to the water so that we know which way to go and we know how to get back to camp. Welcome back to the camp. I'm hungry. Let's make some food. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this thing. And what this is just a piece of cotton that's been soaked in Vaseline. And all I'm going to do is put a spark to it, and you'll see it'll actually catch fire. You put it right in there. There you go. And that is all there is to it. Yeah, fire, fire! So, now what we're going to do is get a bunch of green branches. We're going to line these up, and we're going to put some of these coals underneath here. What we've done is we've collected some water from the Trinity, and we've actually boiled it. And what we're going to do is Ronnie, my uncle who's with me, videotaping now, has made this charcoal. It's activated charcoal filter. So not only is it boiled for a minute or two, rolling boil, but now we're going to actually take the funk and the taste out of it. So the first thing is we're going to use this bag, and the way I made this is I actually took just a regular Sonic iced tea bag where you can buy gallons of it. Of course, I washed it out, covered it in duct tape, camouflage duct tape. Put this on there, and it works fantastic for a collapsible bag. I'm going to slowly put this water in here. And this is good for like a base camp, because now you're going to get not only safe water, but you're going to get really clean and good tasting water.
Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy.
We got the camp all broken down. Got all of our stuff packed in our packs. We've watered down where all the fire was. We've peed on it just to make sure it's out. We've tidied up. There's no trash. We're packing all the trash out with us. Now it's time to put our packs on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Look at those nasty spikes. That's a mesquite tree. All right. Whew. Close-up shot of your face. Say hi. That last little bit, that little hump, that wears you out, doesn't it?
Yeah. Not to mention it's not making the boys all that happy either. Oh, yeah.